Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is round 3. If you haven't liked, subscribe, all that, yeah, do that real quick. Appreciate all the 310 subscribers I have right now, and it's pretty fun to see it grow and to see it to boom. Right now I'm in my Raptor. I've got a 2018 Raptor that is a blast. What I wanted to do today, I was able to spend the last week going through parts, finding what I have, what I need, what I should get, and also trying to figure out what I want to do as far as modding, like I asked in the last video. What I think I'm going to do as of right now, I'm going to keep it as stock as possible. I've got a lot of stock parts. Got a lot of things that work real well. I mean, I don't want to change it up too much, obviously being a SALEEN. And if you guys have checked pricing on SALEENs lately, they are just going up and up and up. All right guys, check this out. I got a pretty good decent set of quarter windows. Pretty excited. I'm going to show you my old ones, the original ones. The car was an Arizona car. They're pretty hammered, so I was pretty stoked to find these quarter windows. I think I only paid 50 bucks for them. I mean, there is a little mark right there, but for the most part, they're night and day different. We're upstairs at the shop. This is kind of my parts room. And anyway, I was able to bring these quarter windows upstairs, and I want to show you, if you can see, how rotted my original ones are. They are pretty dirty. These new quarter windows that I got are in a lot better shape, and pretty stoked because now I can get the interior in and ready to roll. Start off, I got the rear seats refinished. Fronts are almost done. I have a guy, one of my buddies, that does it. He does an excellent job. I know these aren't the original SALEEN seat covers. Obviously, you SALEEN guys know that you can't find the material that these seats were covered in. So what I did is I had them kind of customize it, did some leather on it. And I think they turned out great. I think they turned out really well. There's the SALEEN door panels. They are a little beat up. I've got another set of door panels behind them that I may or may not use and kind of switch them around. Haven't decided yet. So we got that. I got a brand new windshield. The fender extensions, those are all, they're painted. I need to cut and buff them still. Looking good there. I've got the rear SALEEN valence, the moldings that are painted. The side skirts are good to go, and I've got the bumper cover ready to go. So, and then also, you guys can tell I'm a SALEEN fan. There you go. A couple SALEEN little cars that I've got, and the first one signed by Steve. Pretty cool. Hey guys, let me know in the comments where you guys are from, what you guys drive. always interested in what people are driving, where you guys are at. So let me know where you guys are and what you guys are driving. I do have an Instagram, 50 Motors. You can also send me a picture. I'm totally interested, totally dig cars, all shapes, sizes. Let me know what you guys got.